guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we have here a new product from Makartt. I'm very excited to show you guys what's in here. So let's just open this right up. Okay, so let's just take all this stuff out. So this is the new Snatched and Blushed collection from Makartt. So we have here 2 polygel kits, a gel polish collection, as well as some stickers right here. So let's just get opening all this stuff up. I'm gonna first start with these stickers here. These are just some Christmas stickers because, as we all know, Christmas is coming up like really quickly. Just some really cute Christmas stickers. Okay, so next we're gonna open up the gel polish collection. First of all, you get some stickers. Get some nice gold ones, and then you get these rainbow ones, and also just some white ones. These are really nice. And here are all the gel polishes you get. You get 6 different colors right here, and this is kind of like a combination between the 2 polygel kits. So like these 3 are from the first polygel kit and these 3 are from the other polygel kit. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. And here's the first color. This one's called Highlighter. This one is just a nice pretty pink glitter. Kind of hard to tell on camera, but it is pink. It's kind of like a rose gold. Next color is called Rosy. This one is a really pretty light pink. The next color is called Cheeky. And the next color is called Bronzer. This one is kind of like an orange glitter. Orangey like gold, like a bronze, yeah. The next color is Glow, and this one is just a regular white gel polish. And then the last color is called Contour, and this color is just a nice dark brown. Okay, and here are all the gel polish colors. I'm really sorry like about the texture of the napkin. These are not my normal napkins. Anyway, yeah, so here are the colors. I think they are really cute. All right, so now let's get into the polygel kits. Here, first of all, is the packaging. Really just cute little design here, and it just reminds me of like a Christmas present. Even though it's not really Christmas colors, it does remind me of a Christmas present. So we'll start off with the Snatched polygel kit. Okay, so first of all, you get the little like instruction booklet, and then next you get some more Christmas stickers. These ones are just like gold and silver. And here is the polygel kit. First of all, underneath you get some dual forms right here, which I will not be using because we all know I'm just not a dual form kind of person. I think they're harder than any other way of polygel. They're just some straight dual forms right here. I think these are a mixture of curved and straight dual forms. So the next thing you get here is a hand file, which is 100 and 180 grit. Next you get a polygel brush in the color white, base coat and top coat. And then lastly you get the polygels. So here are the polygels. You get 4 different colors, and I'm just gonna swatch them on the same napkin I did the gel polishes on. So the first color is called Bronzer. This polygel is a really nice shimmery bronzy color. The next color is called Highlighter. This one is a nice silver shimmery glitter polygel. The next one is called Blended. This one is just a nice kind of light brown, but not like really light. It's a very like warm tone brown. And then the last polygel is called Contour. And this is just a dark brown, but it has like the slightest tint of kind of like a dark red undertone. But yeah, really pretty colors. I think this will work for like a really nice fall set, but also Christmas too. So it's like a nice combination. Okay, and here is the next kit. This one is called Blushed. Here is the packaging. It's the same as the other one, just different color stripes. Okay, so first of all, it has the rainbow Christmas stickers in here, as well as like the white ones back there that you can see. Some dual forms. Next, a hand file, which is 100 and 180 grit, a polygel brush, base coat and top coat. So here are the 4 different polygels you get, and I almost didn't notice this. I don't know if you can tell, but it has the slightest like iridescent shimmer on it. It's so subtle. I hope you can tell on camera, but it's so subtle. Or maybe I'm crazy and it doesn't have a shimmer. Here is the first color. It is called Rosy. It's like a light pink, but it's also like dark. I don't know how to describe that, but it's not a super bright light pink. The next color is called Cheeky. This one is a really pretty pink. I really like that color. The next color is called Glow, and this is just a white polygel. Okay, and the last color is called Kiki, and it is just another shade of pink. This one's kind of like a dark pink. I don't know. Here are all the colors you get from this collection. And I think these are just so pretty. So let's just get right into this nail set. Okay, so we're first gonna start off this nail set by pushing back the cuticles. Then we're gonna be trimming off the excess dead skin from around the cuticle area. Next, I'm going to be using my fine grit sanding band, and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nails, and I'm also going to work this around the cuticle area to kind of help remove that excess dead skin. And for the nail tips today, I'm going to be using the NotPolish nail tips, which are like my favorite nail tips right now. These are extra long, and they're like perfectly square. They have that nice C curve. So once I have those all glued on with some base coat, I'm just going to be trimming them down with my tip cutters, and then I'm going to be reshaping them a little bit with my hand file. After I reshape them a little, I'm just going to be removing the shine from the nail tips with my sanding band. Alright, so here are how the nail tips are looking so far, and now I'm just going to be adding on a layer of base coat to all the nails. Okay, so let's get onto this polygel application. The first color I'm going to be using is the white polygel. Today we're going to be doing some ombres, like some fall glitter ombre nails. I really wanted to do another fall nail set. Like I didn't want to start the Christmas wintry nail sets just yet. I think I'm going to hold off on those until after Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to get my last few fall nail sets in. For this ombre, I'm starting off with the white polygel at the tip of the nail, and then I'm just going to be smoothing that all out. I usually like to start by making sure that the whole nail is like covered with the polygel first, and then I go in and smooth everything out and make sure it's all like nice and leveled. And once I have the white polygel nice and smoothed out, I'm going to be adding on all the nail decorations. So right here I have some copper foils, I have some copper orangey glitters, as well as some copper fall leaves and some other bluish iridescent glitter. And that's all like the nail decorations I used. So I first start off by adding on the nail foils, then I add on the glitters. And then I add on the leaves. And then I add on a little bit of that like blue iridescent glitter. I didn't want the glitter to cover the whole white part of the nail. I kind of wanted the glitter to fade out near the top of the nail. So that's what I did. So it's kind of like a three-colored ombre, but instead of a third color, it's glitter. So once I have all the glitter packed into the nail, I just want to make sure that it's kind of all sealed in there before I go in with the nude polygel, so that none of that glitter like kind of pops up. So I'm just going over that with a layer of base coat, and then I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp. Okay, so onto the nude polygel, I'm going to be adding on a bead of this near the cuticle area. Now I did put a little bit too much of this, so I will be taking some off. First of all, I just situate the cuticle area, making sure that the polygel is as close to the skin as possible, but not touching it. There's still that little bit of a gap. And once I have the nail kind of looking like this, I just take off that little excess that I don't want. And then I go ahead and start blending everything up into the glitter. And what I like about like the glitter ombres is that you don't really have to make the perfect blended ombre, because the glitters kind of hide the ombre blend a little bit, so it's not as stressful like to make that perfect blend. And once I have the nude polygel all cured on, I'm going to be encapsulating the nail with some clear polygel. We have an ombre, we have exposed glitters that we need to encapsulate so that when we go to file, we don't file anything off. And that is how the nail is looking, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing on all the other nails. So guys, Thanksgiving is like around the corner. Like it's 1 week away as I'm like editing and posting this video. I don't know, I'm not really doing too much for Thanksgiving. My older sister is going to her boyfriend's families for Thanksgiving, and it's just me and my little sister and my parents. I don't really have any other family that lives near me, so yeah, we kind of do small Thanksgivings. I don't really know what we're gonna do this year. I am vegan, and my younger sister is kind of like pescatarian, vegetarian. She's in between those. It's kind of hard to make foods that we can all eat because we all eat like different foods and whatever. So I know there's some like good vegan like recipes, I bet. So maybe I'll do some research on that and make some yummy food. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm not really doing too much for Thanksgiving. Let me know what you guys have planned for Thanksgiving in the comments if you're going somewhere or what you're doing. I would love to know. After Thanksgiving, it's all winter Christmas nails only. I know fall doesn't end for a while, but it's over in my head. Even though I live in Florida, it doesn't get cold at all. Florida ranges from any weather. Like one day it can go from 70 to 90 degrees in the same day and be rainy, cloudy, and sunny at the same time. So sadly, I never really had that like wintry cold Christmas experience. Maybe one day. Like me and my family, we want to travel, but we have 6 cats. And it's different. Like if we had 1 cat, it'd be easier, but we have 6, so that makes it a lot harder to travel anywhere. And also in my last video, I talked about how I couldn't find any like cute Christmas decorations for my room, and you guys came through. Like you guys were suggesting some really good places that I literally forgot about, didn't even think of. So thank you for that. Like I really needed that. So now I have like a list of places to go to, and I know they're gonna have some good stuff. Like what I want is like some cute tiny like trinkets for my shelves and stuff. So I'm hoping that the places that you guys suggested are gonna have them. So like Marshall's, Burlington, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, like those places. I'm gonna check those because I totally like, I'm just thinking here like Target and then TJ Maxx. That's all I thought of. And if you guys are interested in this Makartt Snatch'd and Blush'd Polygel kits and gel polish collection, I really love these kits, and I think they're perfect for the holiday time. Like it's perfect for the fall time, it's perfect for Christmas time, winter time. Like the colors are just so fall but also wintry at the same time, so I think they're perfect for the holiday season. I think they'll make really good gifts for your friends or family. So all the information for these kits will be in the description. You can also use the code nailsbyvic for 15% off your order on the Makartt website. But anyway, back to the nail set. After I'm done applying all the polygel onto the nails, here are how the nails are looking. They look so good right now. I'm very proud of my application, and I'm just gonna get reshaping them with my hand file. And I also have my Makartt dust collector, which, you know, sucks up all the dust from the air. I'm just gonna get reshaping these nails. This was a really fun, relaxing nail set. I did this nail set in the middle of the night because I had to get the video done, and I procrastinated all day and waited until the last minute to do it. And I'm talking the last minute, I'm talking 1 a.m. And you know, nails take me a long time, so I was up until 5 in the morning doing these nails. But luckily it wasn't like an intense nail set and all this complicated design. It was just a nice easy nail set, and I just love the way that the glitter looks in this nail set. I just think it's a great addition. At first I was like, is this like copper color even gonna look good with the ombre? Like with the nude and the white, is that even gonna look good? So I was like planning on like changing the nail design I had in my head, and I was like, you know what, I have to start this nail set already. So I went with this, and I'm really happy I did. I think it looks so cute. I don't know, it's like a nice subtle fall nail set. It's fall, but it's also just classy with the nude to white ombre. So yeah, I just really love these nails. I like how they turned out too. Alright, so after we're done shaping all the nails, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off all that dust from the nails. And here are how they are looking so far, looking really nice and crisp. And I'm just going to be adding on some gems. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do cuticle gems on all the nails, or I really wanted to do it on the pointer finger and the ring finger, but I ended up really liking it. I thought it looked nice. And also I was a little bit tired, so I didn't want to do the rest of the nails. So after the gems are on, I'm going to be finishing off this nail set with some top coat. And then I'm going to be adding on some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I truly love them and I think they're perfect for the fall time. I really like these. These are so cute to me. I just think this is such a cute set for the fall time. And also I'm going to be using the other Polygel kit from today's video. I'm going to be using the Snatch'd Polygel kit in my next video because I wanted to save that kit for my older sister because I know she really likes browns, and plus we were planning to do like a Thanksgiving fall nail set anyway, so I think that kit is perfect for what she wants. So I'm going to be saving that for her, so it'll be kind of like a part 2. So if you want to see me use the other Polygel kit, I'll be using that in my next video. But that is pretty much it for this nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the nail set. And thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you all next time. Bye!